Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad sauce. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh garlic, a couple of anchovy fillets, and some good quality Dijon mustard. Also, have 1 large egg yolk and fresh lemon juice on hand. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of olive oil and some grated Parmesan cheese for that authentic flavor. Now, let's prepare the flavor base. Start by mincing 2 cloves of garlic as finely as possible. Next, mash 2 anchovy fillets into a smooth paste. This adds a wonderful umami depth. In a bowl, whisk together your egg yolk, fresh lemon juice, and Dijon mustard until well combined. This creates the tangy foundation for your dressing. The next crucial step is emulsification. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of olive oil, a few drops at a time initially. Keep whisking steadily until the mixture thickens into a creamy dressing. Once it reaches your desired consistency, stir in 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for richness and texture. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Season your Caesar dressing with salt and plenty of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give it a quick taste and adjust the lemon juice or Dijon mustard if you prefer more tang or zest. Your homemade Caesar salad sauce is now ready to be served immediately over crisp romaine lettuce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.